Okay, well, thank you for coming. It is the last formal meeting of the course 476. This is Introduction to Computational Chemistry course. The goal of the course is that students of broad background and broad background in level of advancement and in the primary subject area, chemistry, physics, biochemistry, engineering, polymers and coating, get exposure to the practical methods for computational chemistry research, so that skills acquired in this course can be accumulated towards the practical research of the attendees of this class. There was several background components, but last couple of weeks, everyone in this class was spending in doing research projects, applying their newly accumulated skills towards practical research of their interest. So the results of this research are very encouraging. They're seeds of serious research. But those who are guests, please take into account that 2-week research cannot be judged on the same level as professional research made for years. So main goal of this component, well, one of the goals of this component is to induce an appetite to computational research, so that those who are exposed in this course can continue going on if it looks interesting for them. So the presentations are split onto 4 segments, applications: the study of minerals, study of catalytic reactions, study of nanointerfaces, and study of charge transfer. And the course itself was organized as a superposition of 3 main basis things. One is theoretical background, another is practical skill, and third, scientific communications. So, larger part of the semester, we were spending time on learning equations, building atomic models, running correct software on a correct hardware, and computing observables related to your research interests. Right now, it is time to practice scientific communications, to make write-ups, to play reviewers, and now present and survive questions. So please be aware that although we have one talk postponed, we are still very limited in time. The room is reserved for a limited time. Some of us will have exam right after this meeting. So please never overcome the 8 minutes per talk total. Out of this 8 minutes, 1 minute is to walk to the stage. 4 minutes, just 4, is to present your research. If, please note, if you are going further, if your talk spends more than 4 minutes, I will be standing here, blocking the camera, blocking you, and giving sign. Please stop. So if you are feeling that you are spending more than 4 minutes per talk, then skip something and go to conclusions. We need to be in time. It is our most important goal. Okay? And the guests, special guests, guest reviewers have an opportunity, although as all attendees of the class have chance to judge the talk, making marks near the level of presentation in several categories, like analysis, presentation, reasonable conclusions, and ask those questions that are not fit in 2-minute section for answering questions. So if there will be no questions, bad. If questions will be going too long, also bad. So please try to limit questions, and if you really want to ask the presenter, just write down near the name. Okay, with this, I would like to show you the protocol, how we do these presentations. All of your presentations are uploaded to this computer. They are numbered according to the number of presenter and named according to the name of the presenter. So you're browsing to the right presentation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click on it and bring it to the big screen. With this, I would like to announce first presenter.